Don't open the door, she said. He came in the house once.
Well, there's a lot of cars over here.
She has to like it when I bring the grandma.
I got that on video. Yeah. Clay!
Y'all ready to do some snow snorkeling today?
Yeah!
That's what I thought.
Here I go.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's refreshing.
No!
Hey, where's Calvin?
No!
Honey, you got some snow screen?
Yeah, bounce over here. I want to see that hair. Oh, yeah. Y'all look good.
Take a picture of you.
I'm taking a video of you.
I want to take a video of you.
I want to take a video of you.
Please do it to you.
Okay.
Also, lekker hem. Lekker hem. Je kunt al dingen mee.
Keep your balance. There you go, Isabella. Go. Keep it straight. You're turning.
What is that?
Why Joe's nervous.
No, should have going mommy into grasshopper.
Oh, it's cool. I couldn't figure out why he was nervous.
Why? What is it? Oh, gosh. Isn't he gonna jump?
Look at him. He's cool.
Can't tell the grandpa's a country boy.
Jump in the window.
You'd be good fishing, Eddie. Except he's too pretty.